Hello, in this video we want to design a page for a UIKit iOS app using Snapkit. Let's start it. Firstly, we want to create a new project in Xcode. In Welcome to Xcode page, choose Create a new Xcode project and press Next. And select iOS app and press Next, so you will see this page finally. Choose a name for your project. I choose Bakery app as a project name. To use Snapkit, don't forget you must select the storyboard as the interface and Swift as its language and press Next. Select where you want to create your project and press Create button to create the project. In this step, we add Snapkit to the project. We have three ways to add the Snapkit to the project using Swift Package Manager, CocoaPod, and Cartage. And I choose Swift Package Manager or SPM to add the Snapkit SDK to the project. Copy the Snapkit URL and add the SDK using the URL. As you can see, the dependency role for the Snapkit is up to the next measure, and the measure is 501. So we change the 500 to 501. Press Add Packages button and you will see a new page. Select the package product and press Add Packages button. Now the Snapkit is successfully added to the project. Let's use it. Let's back to the design and see what we need. We need to add the image to the project, so let's do it. I choose Get Started as the name of the folder based on the name that we have on the design. Now it's time to design the page with Snapkit SDK. Let's start it. As you can see, we need to add a specific font for this label that is called Inter Semi-Bold. So now we must add the font to the project. You must not forget to check copy item if needed and check the targets that you have on the add to target portion. Even though this text font is specific, but I set a default system font for this text because I wanna make it faster, but you must not forget to choose the specific font for a real project. To set the margin with Snapkit, you must write your object name, point SMP, point make constraints, and add your constraints on it. I had the sum of left and right spaces as the instead of width to have equal space between the left and right. There is an error on the project, and it happens because we add the Snapkit dynamic SDK to the project. We must remove it and rebuild the project. You must not check the Snapkit dynamic and must check only the Snapkit. Apparently the UI is not loaded. Let's check what's wrong with it. Seems everything worked well and we had to only stay until the UI is loaded. As you can see, there are some fixes on the UI, so let's fix them and relaunch the app. The UI has been implemented successfully, same as the design. And as you can see, it has some difference between the design and the UI. For example, we have 2 lines for the text in the UI and 3 lines in the simulator. It's okay because the simulator width is quite smaller than the UI. Let's round the border of the button to make it more smoother. This video has been finished. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe the channel, and share it with your friends. Have a great day.